I am Marie Logston, co-founder and chief strategy officer at Driven Plastics. So at Driven, we are tackling two problems. The first is plastics. So you've seen this horrifying statistic everywhere. And this shorebird carcass has become the norm instead of an anomaly on many beaches around the world. Our own bodies, we now know, are full of plastics too. Microplastics affecting our health in ways that we're only beginning to understand. The second problem we're tackling is roads. So the US has a massive infrastructure backlog. Bad roads cost us time, money, and lives. Potholes are super annoying, but they also increase fatalities on our roads. We deserve stronger, cheaper, longer lasting roads. We have the technology, and we need them now. So this is me, for scale, next to a 15-ton mountain of low-density polyethylene. So this stuff is stretchy, and in this case, it's covered in chocolate, and so almost impossible to recycle by current methods available to us. So we took this trash mountain, and we transformed it into this. This is a gorgeous 1.75-mile stretch of highway in Pueblo, Colorado. And this road looks and feels exactly like regular asphalt. Our additive is less than 1% of the road material once it's laid down, but the secret of this road is that it will last 3 to 5 years longer than a typical road, and it will save 5 to 10% on maintenance over the life of the road by reducing potholes, cracks, and ruts. In this case, this is a heavy agricultural road with really heavy trucks, and so using an additive is super important for this road to avoid potholes. So we took that big mountain of plastic and we made it into this. So this is the plastic flake we produce. It's a proprietary form factor, and we combine it with a patented dry pellet called RET, which stands for a reactive elastomeric terpolymer, on which there will be a quiz. So at Driven, we calibrate the mix based on the desired road specs, and then we deliver the RET to the oil terminal, and we deliver our plastic to the hot mix asphalt plant. Once they get combined in a normal process, they change at the molecular level and create a new molecule that adds elasticity and toughness to the asphalt binder. And we've got traction. So we have roads all across the US. We've done about 30 miles of roadway of 2-lane roads. And we are expanding into the Southeast region this year. Our deepest clients are here in Colorado, where we're included in the road spec in several cities and counties here, which is kind of our gold standard of sale. And we are doing this multi-state strategy because it's a multi-year material approval process for DOTs around the country, and we're doing as many as we possibly can simultaneously. While our company is early stage, our technology is not. So this technology is backed by 20+ years of research at Dow Chemical and has strong lab and field performance already documented. So we've been recognized for our engineering accomplishments and outcomes through a number of industry organizations as we've done the commercial rollout. And to talk about competition. So for 50 years, the incumbent has been SBS, styrene, butadiene, styrene, and they own 90% of the market. They're a polymer imported from China or Germany, which has always been volatile based on commodity markets, and now with tariffs even more so. So we can compete with them on price, and we also meet and exceed every single area on performance. In terms of rubber additives, many of these are complementary to our technology. They can be used together to look at different areas of performance in a road material. There are a couple of new market entrants, including McGreber, which is an asphalt filler that has no performance improvement in the road, and Technosoil, which uses PET for binder, but requires a huge capital expense at every hot mix asphalt plant to be implemented. And we built strong partnerships in order to get this done. So we recently won a $1 million DOE grant in collaboration with NREL. We're advising a congressional committee on the use of plastics in asphalt, and we were delegates at the Global Plastic Treaty Negotiations. We work directly with state agencies around the country, and our academic partnerships are a huge part of our technical edge. We also hold leadership roles in a number of national asphalt industry associations, driving forward policy and standards. And this is our third accelerator. Most of our customers are public sector and driven by cost. So us being price and performance-based is super important. The additives market is estimated at about $6 billion with 8% annual growth. And our revenue in our third year of production, we are 200% year over year in our revenue growth at our 10,000 square foot facility in Pueblo, where we're manufacturing the product. And we are doing a raise to get to $50 million in revenue, and we are on par to do that. So we're raising $7 million total, with $2 million in debt and $5 million in equity. We've got $250,000 in the bank for debt, and another $250 in diligence, and on our way with lots of great conversations. And we have the right team to execute. So we have deep expertise in asphalt, government, sales, engineering, and ops. So together, we have an opportunity to transform an entire industry using old methods for economic and environmental good. And I hope you'll join us in doing so.